2025 how to. Welcome to our channel. We are currently busy with our 2025 series of how to AI. I'm a beginner. My name is Stefan and I'm learning everything that is AI related, and we are offering these free education workshops, videos for everybody that wants to learn more about AI. Please visit our link in previous videos. We're now currently in part 4, so let's just get right into it. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following strict instructions, ML models identify patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based upon that information. Some key points: ML automates decision-making processes, it learns from experiences, historical data, and it improves over time as more data is provided. Let's look at supervised versus unsupervised versus reinforcement learning. It's a lot of information. ML, or machine learning, is categorized into 3 major types of Machine learning is categorized into 3 main types based on how the model is trained. First one, supervised learning.